Hey guys, in this DIY tutorial, I want to show you how I made these very simple dog toys for my dog, and I literally used stuff that I had just laying around in my house. So here I made a rattle toy, a crinkle plush, and a kind of sort of tug toy, and she loves them. Well, she actually really prefers the rattle toy. So let me show you how I did it. Okay, let me start with the rattle toy. So I used just an empty water bottle and a leg warmer that I got from the Dollar Tree and some beans. You can use also longer socks and rocks instead of beans, just in case you don't have any of these things here. And if your sock or leg warmer is long enough, you could just tie the ends. Mine weren't, so I just used a needle and thread to really secure the sides. And it kind of looks like a long Tootsie Roll rolled up here. Loving this tutorial? Please subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. And that's it. How easy was that? So next I'm going to show you this crinkle plush. Again, another sock from my Dollar Tree, and that's just a plastic bag that, I don't know, I ordered something from Amazon and it was wrapped in that bag and I like the sound of it. So here we go, a little stuffing, stuff the bag in there as well, and then a little bit more stuffing in there. Then I am going to turn this open end of the sock into the plush. Just like this. And then with a double threaded needle with coordinating thread, I'm just going to give a little closure there with a simple overcast stitch. And now I'm going to show you how to make this tug toy that's braided. So I'm using scrap fabric. You can cut it as long and as wide as you want. You can even, if you don't have scrap fabric, use jeans, clothing, anything you have that's long. You're going to tie one knot at the end, and then you're going to pull that really tight, and then you're going to braid your strips of fabric. And as I reached the certain length of braiding, I made a knot. I just had all three strips together and just formed another knot. And that's how I made the tug toy. So I hope you found this tutorial on dog toys very useful, and it encourages you to make your own dog toys. And why don't you also check out how I made my dog person, also how I made reusable and washable wee wee pads. Thanks for watching.